Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the locker in Subnautica below zero. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. So, get started, go ahead and travel to the Delta Station dock, and from here you want to go towards the tower, through these caves. Once you're here, at this path, you want to go turn right, and now you want to go ahead and go to this cave. You're gonna see some sulfur here, and you want to go ahead and go straight through it. Once the animation has ended, you want to go ahead and go towards this building and open the door. Inside, you want to pick out your scanner, and here you'll see the locker. Go ahead and scan it, and now you can travel back to your base. Once you're back at the base, pick out your habitat builder and go into the interior modules. Here you'll see the locker on which you'll need 1 quartz and 2 times titanium. Click on it, and now you can place it anywhere on the ground, and that's pretty much all. You open it, you want to left click, and here you'll see the storage. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped, and see you next time.